If you are serious about defending, you need to stop doing these things. These habits are the reason you're always getting beaten, giving away goals, and making your coach scream from the touchline. Hello everyone, my name is Harish Shah. Today we are going to discuss about the things which you stop doing in the defense. Defending is not just about chasing the ball, it's about intelligence, discipline, and timing. So today I am breaking down the biggest defensive mistakes players make and what to do instead. Part 1. Stop ball watching. You ever seen a defender staring at the ball and the attacker runs past like him a ghost? Yeah, that's called ball watching. It's a crime in defending. When you focus only on the ball and you lose the track of your man. In the box, that's all it takes to concede. Defending is about awareness, ball plus man, always both. What to do instead? Keep your body half turned, keep your eye on the ball as well as on the player. Keep watching both the side and stay switched on. Part 2. Stop diving into tackles. Listen, you're not playing FIFA. Stop sliding into every tackle like it's the last minute of Champions League final. Diving it takes you out of the game. If you missed, you have opened the door. Good attackers love it and they will bait you and then skip past like you weren't even there. What to do instead? Be patient and stay on your feet. Jockey your man, guide him where you want. Then make your move when's the time's right. Discipline beat desperation. Part 3. Stop losing your body shape. Too many young defenders stand flat-footed or worse, they turn their back when the ball is coming. That kills your mobility. You can't turn fast, can't react, can't cover. What to do instead? Stay on your toes, knees slightly bent, always side on so you can sprint or tackle either way. Read the body language of the attacker, anticipate the next touch. Body shape is your defensive foundation. Get it wrong, everything collapses. Part 4. In defense, stop being silent. A quiet defender is a dead defender. No communication is equals to chaos. Your midfield does not drop, your fullback does not cover, and you end up 1v2 and look bad. What to do instead? Talk, man on, step up, cover the back post. Even just calling a teammate's name makes a difference. A defense that talks is a defense that survives. Part 5. In defense, stop giving space to attackers. You give Messi 2 seconds, 2 yards, that's a goal. You give your local striker the same result, just slower. Backing off too much give attackers time to think, pick, pass and shoot. What to do instead? Close down quickly but under control. Not diving, just reducing the space and making them uncomfortable. Make the attacker rush. Mistakes happen when they panic. Quick bonus tip for all the defenders. Don't cross your leg when defending. Stay balanced. Don't try to win every header. Read the bounce. Don't overcome it when the pressing wide. Keep the shape compact. And mostly, defend like you're always one mistake away from conceding. That mindset will keep you sharp. Defense is an art. It's not just about aggression, it's about intelligence. So if you want to improve, start by cutting out of this habit. Focus on positioning, patience and communication and watch your game level up. If this helped you, drop a comment. Defenders win games. Hit like, share this with your backline and subscribe for more weekly football IQ content.